is up, everyone? Happy Halloween. Welcome back to Slay Sunday. For this week's look, I decided to hit Miss DeVille, honey, Miss Cruella. This is a character that I've wanted to hit for a long time, and so the fact that she had the solo movie that came out earlier this year, it just made it more relevant. So I was like, all right, this is the year I'm hitting Cruella. But it's actually a pretty simple look. All I'm doing, I'm taking my Juvia's Place Saharan palette and I'm taking that black shade and I am just blending that out all over my lid. And next, I am taking that really pretty deep green shimmer shade, and I am just placing that on top of the black. Having the black underneath really made the shadow just pop even more, and I loved it. And I'm just taking my black pencil liner by e.l.f. and I am just putting that on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna smudge it out. I smudged it out with my black eyeshadow again. But now moving on to the inner corner of the eye, I'm taking that really pretty white shimmer shade, and I'm really just kind of almost connecting that white shadow to the green so it completely fills up my eye. And now I am getting my Eden Rose lashes, and as you guys can see, this is how I put them on. When I have nails especially, I use the tweezer method. Makes it a lot easier. And the drink that I was sipping on to get ready for last night was starting to hit me in mid-makeup process. So I was like, Lord help me, let me finish this up. So now I'm just going in with my MAC red lipstick. I never remember the shade of this. I just know it's not Ruby Woo, but I've had it for ages. I know it's expired, but it still works, and that payoff is great. So I'm just taking that as my lip. And that actually completes the makeup look. I'm about to have my transformation in a second. Yes, there she is, you guys. When I tell you that I was so happy with how this turned out. Like, I've wanted to do this character for so long. Like, ever since I saw the live action 101 Dalmatians with Glenn Close as Cruella, I've been obsessed. I love it. So I was so happy that I finally got to do this, and I was just really feeling myself. It was a vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I hope you had a happy Halloween weekend, and stay safe, everybody. Bye, you guys. I'll be back.